You come and leave with empty hands, trotting along these lonesome lands. Oasis of paradise may come to the rescue, with its glistening, colorful riches of blue. To stay or to go will occupy the mind. Delusions of comfort halts most of mankind.
The start in due course leads to the end. All that is will also initially ascend in its own time, encountering fate, a bullying moments to celebrate, for all in its majestic glory, our true and tranquil little story.
Meaning of life? Well, there is none. But to give life must not be forgotten. One faces the depth of failure in many ways. Accepting familiarity with truth wastes days. Whether you seek or you find is up to you. Just have the same compassion for others too.